Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video what I'm going to be showing you how to do is how to create a new line description in MicroSurvey's FieldGenius for Android. So what I'm going to do to begin here is from the main menu, I'm going to select my project data option, and then in my project data option here, where I'm going to need to go is to the codes option here in the bottom left corner. And if I open up codes, what I can do is I can click add, or I can just start typing in my search bar here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new code for a sidewalk curb. So I'm going to call it SWLK curb, and then I'm going to make sure that my line code box is checked. If I don't have this checked, it won't show up as a line code, and then I'm going to hit save. And if I go back to my project data menu, what I'm going to head to is my lines option, the third option on the left here. And from within my line menu, if I scroll down here, you can see that there is a sidewalk curb that I can now create a new line with. And that is everything for today's video. If you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.